Good morning, all the students. Today we will discuss our next chapter, air distribution and duct design. Air distribution, this is a very important part. In your syllabus, few parts include of the air distribution. So basically this is introduction to air distribution. Okay, first of all, we discuss air distribution, then duct design. Okay, air distribution. The conditioned air needs to be properly and uniformly distributed through within the room which is to be conditioned. Uh, this is the main requirement for the number of occupants for the occupants which is available who is available in the room, hall or the confined space. Okay, there are basic design aspects for air distribution. Design aspects of air distribution. First of all, we always remember that always maintain the temperature, always maintain the temperature, humidity, humidity, quality of oxygen, quality of O2, quality of air, quality of air, and air velocity. This is our first part. In our introduction of AC, I have already told the we to design a perfect air conditioning system, we have to maintain the temperature, humidity, quality of oxygen, quality of air, and air velocity. Air velocity means flow of air within the confined space which is to be conditioned. Is it has to be designed properly. Okay, second part is air velocity has to be between 7 to 15 meter per second, 7 to 15 meter per second. This is the standard air velocity if the occupants are sitting, or when the occupants are sitting, then the air velocity is 7 to 15 degree. Hmm. While now occupants are in moving condition, then the air velocity is 20 maximum, around 20 meter per second. When occupants is moving condition, is in moving condition. Okay, this is our second point. Next, third point is flow direction of air velocity has to be toward the face of face of occupants. Velocity of air, velocity of air or direction of of flow of air is always at the is always towards the face of the occupants, not back side of the occupants. Okay, it is not desirable. Always towards the face of the occupants. This is number 3. Number 4 is temperature variation. I have already told the temperature variation in the room is not more than 2 degree centigrade. Temperature in the room, the variation of the temperature inside the room, every corner or every side of the room is 2 degree centigrade. This is our point 4. This is our point. Now next, ensure availability availability of fresh air in all parts of the room. Okay. Next, number 6. The zone of conditioned space for the comfort is to be taken up to height of 1.8 meter above the ground. Zone of conditioned space for the comfort is to be taken up to height above the 1.8 meter above the ground. This is our next part. Now now factors factors affecting the air distribution. Factor affecting the air distribution. First point is size of the duct. Duct means is a pipe through which air is distributed, conditioned air is distributed towards the space which is to be conditioned, or the used air or conditioned air exhausted from the room. So the size of the channel of the duct is very important part which affect the distribution of air. Okay. Then velocity of air. I have already told velocity of air. Third point is location location of grill grills and diffuser. Fourth point is flow pattern of the air in the room. Okay, these all are almost the factors. Okay, now some yeah, some term has to be covered before going to design a duct or air distribution system. Okay, first of all, intake intake and outlet. What is intake? This is just opposite. Intake means it is the opening through which the air is returned or exhaust from the space, from the space. Okay, intake just opposite. Outlet means it is the opening through which